Aking sinta, ano bang meron sa'yo? Pag nakikita ka na, bumabagal ang mundo. Pag ngumingiti ka, para bang may iba. Pag tumitingin sa'kin, mapupungay mong mga mata. Wala akong takas sa nakakalunod mong ganda. Wala nang ibang nakagawa sa'kin ng ganito. Kung di ikaw, nag-iisang Diyosa ng buhay ko. Huwag ka nang matakot, huwag kang mangamba. Nandito ako pag ika'y mag-isa. Wala akong takas na nakakalunod mong ganda. Aking sinta, ano bang meron sa'yo? Pag nakikita ka na, bumabagal ang hanggan ng aking mga mata. Huwag kang titingin na sa iba. Aking na, wala nang iba.
Masaya lang sir. Mabait, mapagmahal, inaasikaso talaga niya ako sir.
Kaya lang yung ablabin na thank you na todo effort na yadale tu. Maskin manada kita problema na yapasa in the past years, stay strong lang ta syempre.
I have a lot of things on my mind. It's like a hurricane.
Thank you babe na dito you give. Hindi yan expect na siya ni para to give. Kasi iyon wayan sabot ta na hindi kita man give. Kay exceeded ya diaton budget. Pero yan effort lang to syempre para akong gift para kumigo. Thank you and I love you.
But in this trouble, I realize that I'm only looking on their eyes, concentrating only on what they see. When in all this you're looking at me, and now I know everything I do is It's for your eyes only. Everywhere I go, it's for your eyes only. Everything I am is for your eyes only. No matter how they'll see me, you see beyond what they see in me. No matter what I'll be, it's for your eyes only.
The word sacrifice simply means you suffer with love. Not just suffer, but if you suffer with love, that's a sacrifice.
Thank you na love na todo. Nalito yung alaga. Basta na todo. Na I love you so much and ingat to lagi na trabaho.
Ohala babe, hindi kita basta-basta mansuko na mga problema na ay pasa pa ka naton. I love you so much babe and sana dali si Lord alko sa kita tapidi na sabi ato kalko sa head. I love you so much.
I can't imagine what my life would be without you. It will be chaotic, so messy. Every little thing will start to feel heavy. But you're always here and I know you will never leave me. Ready to give my all for you. No matter what happens, I'll make it through. For everything I do, it's for your eyes only. Everywhere I go, it's for your eyes only. Everything I am is for your eyes only. No matter how.
Once again, I present to you the newly wedded couple, Mr. and Mrs. Remelito Basilio. Remelito, you may now kiss the bride.
No matter what I'll be, it's for your